After several nations decided to put the AstraZeneca COVID vaccine on hold, there is an important clarification from the company. There is no evidence of an increased risk of blood clots, and the jab, which in India goes by the name of Covishield, one of the vaccines being rolled out. My colleague Parmeshwar Bawa has the details.
Let's quickly take you through how India is faring as far as vaccinations are concerned. Now, if you notice in this graph, we seem to be hitting a lull here, but then there's a upward surge, which is good news. However, we seem to be lacking on Sundays, I beg your pardon. If you notice the 28th of February, a Sunday, we see a sudden dip in vaccinations. And then again on the 6th of March, a Sunday, we see another sudden dip of vaccinations. And yesterday as well, if I can just show you, zoom in, this is quite a steep fall. So we seem to be doing pretty well as far as the week is concerned, but the weekdays were dipping, especially Sundays, which makes us ask the question, can India afford to take Sundays off as far as the inoculation drive is concerned, considering the colossal amount of patients that need to be vaccinated? Now, if you look at India in comparison to the world, let's have a quick look where we stand. So Israel topping the charts and setting a great example for the rest of us at 106.95. Followed closely by the UAE at 65.89. Then we have the UK faring pretty well as well, 37.15. The stark number in this entire chart is the 2.15 here for our country. Now again, we've got something to learn from, but the 2.5 as opposed to the 106.95, quite a stark difference. As far as AstraZeneca is concerned, also, this is a stark reminder that not all heroes wear capes. This 107-year-old man is living by example and has just gotten vaccinated, serving as a great example for the rest of us to follow. As far as AstraZeneca's clarification is concerned, now there were certain concerns regarding the vaccine, but AstraZeneca has gone on to issue a statement, but the World Health Organization has said there's no indication of a link between the jabs and the blood clots. So again, relieving news for everyone. Also, AstraZeneca has said there's no evidence of an increased risk of pulmonary embolism. So again, and also added that there is no risk of deep vein thrombosis with the vaccine. As far as the European Medical Agency is concerned, so the European Medicines Agency has also backed the jab safety. So we've got double approval, the WHO and EMA. EMA has also added that there are 30 reports of blood clots among close to 5 million people who have been given the vaccine dose. So 5 million as opposed to 30 people, it's not so concerning. So as far as the key takeaways are concerned, AstraZeneca has said a review of its data found no evidence that its vaccine against the coronavirus causes blood clots, the same day that Ireland and the Netherlands joined a growing list of countries that are suspending the use of the shot. Now, in addition to the company itself, the European Medicines Agency and the World Health Organization have said there is no indication the clotting events were caused by the vaccine.